During testing times, why does our mind tell us we cannot do it? Why is yielding our first option in a challenging situation? Why does giving up seem easier than trying harder? Let us choose not to give up in difficult situations, for all that's great can be achieved by pursuing the purpose with patience and determination. Imagine yourself standing amidst a dense forest, shrouded in an impenetrable darkness. There seems to be no escape. All that surrounds you are towering trees, tangled bushes, scattered stones on the forest floor. In this moment of despair, on the verge of giving in to the enveloping gloom, you reach down and pick up two flint stones. Grit and determination well up within you, compelling you to rub them together. As you do, you begin to notice a transformation. The stones generate warmth. You now rub them together with more force and fortitude. You notice sparks arise every time you rub these stones, kindling a spark of inspiration within. You now use these sparks to ignite a warm, radiating flame amidst the pile of hay that lays beside you. In the newfound light, flickers of hope dance in your heart. You realize that just as this modest spark has illumined your path, the resolute flame of hope can guide you through the darkest of times. This forest, symbolic of life's challenges, teaches us that even when we feel lost in the shadows, surrounded by obstacles, we must never, never, never give up. For in our persistence, in our refusal to give up, we ignite the inner spark of resilience that ignites a ray of hope and helps us navigate our way. As beloved Dada reminded us, we must never, never, never give up. We must keep on trying, even though the times are trying.